In this video, we have been given that ABCD and PQST are a square and angle BCQ is 30 degrees and BC is 5. Then we have to find area of PQST. So PQST, it is a square, that means PQ, it will be equal to QS, it will be equal to ST, it will be equal to PT. Suppose X, PQ is X, QS is X, ST is X, and PT is X. And these angles, they will be 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 90 degrees, and this angle, it will be also 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, that will be 60 degrees. And we know that ABCD is a square. So AB, it will be equal to BC, and BC is 5. So AB, it will be also 5, and angle ABC, it will be 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, that will be 30 degrees. And now in triangle APB and triangle BQC, we have angle APB is equal to angle BQC, that is 90 degrees, and angle ABP is equal to angle BCQ, that is 30 degrees, and AB, it is equal to BC, that is 5. So triangle APB, it will be congruent to triangle BQC. Hence AP, it will be equal to BQ. Suppose A, if AP is A, then BQ, it will be also A, and now in triangle APB, it is A, P, B, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees, AB is 5, AP is A, and BP, it is x plus a, BP is x plus a, and sine 30 degrees, it will be AP over AB, and sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2, it is equal to AP is A over AB is 5. So we can get A is 5 over 2. A, it is 5 over 2, and cos 30 degrees, it will be BP over AB, and cos 30 degrees, it is root 3 over 2, it is equal to BP is x plus a over AB is 5, and if we cross multiply, then 5 times root 3 over 2, it will be x plus a, and it is 5 root 3 over 2 is equal to x plus, and a, it is 5 over 2, a is 5 over 2, so x, it will be 5 root 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2, and x, it is equal to, we can take 5 over 2 common, and it will be root 3 minus 1, and now we get x is 5 over 2 times root 3 minus 1, and area of PQST, it will be x square, and x, it is 5 over 2 times root 3 minus 1 square, and it is 5 over 2 square times root 3 minus 1 square, and it is 25 over 4 times, and this will be root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 times root 3 times 1, and it is 25 over 4 times 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, and it is 25 over 4 times 4 minus 2 times root 3, and it is 25 over 4 times, and here we can take 2 common, and it will be 2 minus root 3, and 2 times 2 is 4, so it is 25 over 2 times 2 minus root 3, so it is 25 over 2 times 2 minus root 3,